Dogecoin value equivalent to 28,772 rands a coin. The present cost range 273,023 30164. The earlier day close 218,420. The change was plus +52 plus 124%. Reverse rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 217 rands. Exorbitant cost 245, while low cost 213. Found the middle value of cost 226. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 219. Change for July 5%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 229 rands. Exorbitant cost 285, while low cost 219. Found the middle value of cost 252. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 266. Change for August 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 266 rands. Exorbitant cost 308, while low cost 266. Found the middle value of cost 282. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 288. Change for September 8.3%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 288 rands. Exorbitant cost 301, while low cost 261. Found the middle value of cost 283. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 281. Change for October 24%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 281 rands. Exorbitant cost 281, while low cost 227. Found the middle value of cost 258. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 244. Change for November 13.2%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 244 rands. Exorbitant cost 290, while low cost 244. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 262. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 271. Change for December 11.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 271 rands. Excessive cost 271, while low cost 212. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 251. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 239. Change for January 11.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 239 rands. Excessive cost 248, while low cost 216. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 234. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 232. Change for February 29%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 232 rands. Exorbitant cost 263, while low cost 229. Found the middle value of cost 243. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 246. Change for spring 60%. Dogecoin figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 246 rands. Excessive cost 246, while low cost 212. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 233. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 228. Change for April 7.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 228 rands. Exorbitant cost 228, while low cost 191. Found the middle value of cost 213. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 205. Change for May 10.1%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 205 rands. Excessive cost 255, while low cost 205. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 216. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 238. Change for June 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 238 rands. Excessive cost 259, while low cost 225. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 241. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 242. Change for July 17%. Dogecoin conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 242 rands. Excessive cost 263, while low cost 229. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 245. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 246. Change for August 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 246 rands. Excessive cost 305, while low cost 246. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 271. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 285. Change for September 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2025. At the outset, cost at 285 rands. Excessive cost 325, while low cost 283. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 299. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 304, change for October 6-7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 304 rands. Excessive cost 304, while low cost 262. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 288. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 282, change for November 7-2%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 282 rands. Exorbitant cost 316, while low cost 274. The found the middle value of cost 292. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 295, change for December 4-6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 295 rands. Excessive cost 321, while low cost 279. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 299. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 3,000 change for January 1-7%. Dogecoin figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 3,000 rands. Excessive cost 326, while low cost 284. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 304. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 305, change for February 1-7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 305 rands. Exorbitant cost 326, while low cost 284. The found the middle value of cost 305. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 305, change for spring 0%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 305 rands. Exorbitant cost 320, while low cost 278. The found the middle value of cost 301. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 299, change for April 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 299 rands. Excessive cost 303, while low cost 263. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 287. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 283, change for May 4%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 283 rands. Excessive cost 308, while low cost 268. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 287. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 288, change for June 8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at 288 rands. Excessive cost 314, while low cost 272. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 292. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 293, change for July 7%. Dogecoin figure for August 2026. Initially cost at 293 rands. Excessive cost 319,